Hi there viewers, welcome back to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can upload multiple files and folders at your GitHub repository in just a single click. So let's get started, and before we begin the tutorial, please make sure to subscribe my channel. This inspire making more video. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to open our browser and search for git download. Alright, that was a mistake. So you have to click this first link, download Git, and then you'll find this option. You have to select your OS system. My one is Windows, so I'm clicking here, and you have to select your operating system's bit. So my one is 64, and I'm clicking here, and then I'm gonna download it. In your case, the download will happen directly at this bottom part, as I'm using an extension Internet Download Manager, which is why it's happening in this way. Our download is in progress. Alright, so our extension has been downloaded, and then double click here, and then you'll find allow option. Click yes, and after that click here next, and you have to choose your directory. I'm here choosing a default directory here, and clicking next, and just click next. After that, as there is nothing that important, click next. So we have to click next by one, we will get the default access, as we are downloading Git just for having the access to the commands for uploading GitHub. So let the download begin. So download has been finalized, and then we have to wait for a couple seconds, and you can see right here it's showing finish. Just click here finish, and after that we can close the window and here that you can see this option git bash. These options are now here available, and after Git has been successfully installed, we have to go to our GitHub, and we have to click a new repository. So I'm clicking here test 01 okay 2. This is my repository's name, and we have to click here public or private. It's I'm choosing private, and create repository. So our repository has been created, and after that we have to open our code editor. So I'm using Visual Studio Code for demonstration purpose, and we have to make sure you opened your root directory, and then after that we have to click at terminal, new terminal. We have to write this command git init, and after that we have to write git remote space add origin space. Now we have to go our repository, this page, and make sure you copy this line here, and this is the main line for access. So we copy this line and press enter. Remote origin already accessed. In your case, this might not happen. After that, we have to write this command git remote space -v, then enter, and then you have to write git add space dot, and after that git commit, and then space -m space. You have to write in double quotes. Here I'm writing you have to write anything. This is the name of the commit, so it's as I'm doing first commit, then enter. After that you have to click git push origin master, and then press enter. So we have to wait for a couple seconds. So this tab will open. So you have to click anything like here, sign in with your browser. So a page will open at my browser. So let's wait. Alright, actually, this was successfully done. Like this was happened as because I was already logged in, and it was verified. So in your case, when something browser would open, so you might need to enter your username of your GitHub and password. Then it will access it through your terminal. So it would take for some time. So we will. So now if you reload, so you can see that the files has been updated here. So this was today's tutorial, and please comment if you face any issues. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial.